okay? Because we don't just talk, we walk the walk, period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 10 of Vlogmas. We got it to day 10. Can I hear a round of applause for your girl? Because I did it, okay? I know I started late, but I'm here. I'm coming. You know, I'm showing up. I'm doing what I need to do. So yes, before we get into the video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Fantasy. I do videos on makeup, hair, fashion, vlogs, lifestyle. I do it all. I hope by the end of this video that you decide that you want to join the Fantasy family. If you have missed any of the first 9 videos of Vlogmas, go ahead and check my link down below. I will be leaving the links to all of my playlist of Vlogmas, and if you want to see my Vlogmas series of 2021, just to hold you over before you get the next day of day 11, then go ahead and check that description box down below as well. And if you see anything in any of my videos and I said that I was going to leave it down below in any of my videos, just go ahead and comment and I will try to put those links in if I forgot or something like that, because I do tend to forget. I got a lot going on in my days, so I don't always remember when I'm supposed to post a video, post a link or put a link, or I'll put certain things but I'll forget other things. So just go ahead and just remind me. I won't feel no type of way. That's just me doing my job. And yeah, so today we're about to go and do some hair. I am going to do some more dreads. So yeah, I'm about to go do some hair, and then I'm just gonna be editing and everything. Today's gonna be a chill day. Like, I have a day to just rest to myself. I have this freaking pimple right here that's like blowing lines. My face is irritated because I was trying to mess with it and I shouldn't have. But yeah, I'm about to get out of my house, go get me something to eat as well. Go to Starbucks probably and get me something to eat. I'm hungry, and I'm contemplating of getting a silk press, but I don't want to straighten my hair too much. Like, I don't know, and it's kind of like rainy, so I don't know. I don't want to straighten my hair too much. I don't know. I might wait. I wanted to get a silk press before like around Christmas timing or so, but if I'm gonna be cooking, I can't really do no silk presses because maybe my hair is gonna, and I work out, so like it doesn't really work. So yeah, that's out of the picture. But yeah, let's get to doing some hair. Anywho, I'm back home. I'm about to make me something to eat. It is 8:17. It took much longer than I thought it was going to take because I didn't realize that I still had to take down the dreads that I did for her prior. Usually it's already out, but that wasn't the case this time. But it is what it is. So it took me much longer to do the whole thing. But I'm about to eat me some food. I got some jerk chicken from like this jerk truck that was out there, and it's just a whole bunch of jerk chicken. I'm excited. I'm gonna eat it with my salmon and rice and peas that I have, and watch a little bit of my show and finish editing my video for tomorrow, and that will be the end. And then I gotta do some braids in my hair, but you know, we gonna get on here when, you know, we doing what we doing and not just talking about what we doing, okay? Because we don't just talk, we walk the walk, period. I kind of changed up my settings, so just let me know which setting you guys like better because I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, my phone, as you guys know, I just literally got it like a couple of days ago, literally 5 days ago, has just been acting a fool. Like, it's been acting a complete fool and it's showing its ass, and I don't like that. It's blowing minds. So I had to call Apple to get a reservation so that I can set up my damn phone. Fix my phone and figure out what the hell is going on with it, so that way I can stop dealing with the bullshit that's going on currently, because I literally just got this phone. Also, I have not done a single thing. I have ate and I sat and I chilled for too long. It is now 10:35. I needed to get my ass up at 9 to start my hair, and I didn't. So I am braiding down my hair right now. I really want to put a wig on, but I'm so tired. I'm so lazy. I'm gonna have to get up super early if I try to do it in the morning, so I can't do it in the morning. And I was gonna wash my hair and stuff, and I was really contemplating getting a silk press, but I'm like, I'm gonna wait until after the New Year's to do that. Well, after I take out my dreads, which is probably gonna be like the end of January. So I'm kind of hoping that I won't have to do any shoots where I'll have to take out my dreads right now, because I want to keep it in at least for a month. I usually like to keep it in for like 2 months. If I could, that'll be great, but I really want to keep them in for at least a month. And I'm gonna do it like probably around Christmas. Hopefully I could do it before Christmas. I just want to get this next wig out of the way, and the videos that I need to do for it out of the way, so that way I'm free to do whatever I want with my hair. I've been so busy with shooting and everything that I just have not had the time to just shoot that video and start prepping that hair. But I definitely want to, because, you know, I gotta do the review. I just have to do the review for the hair. So yeah, I'm just braiding my hair. I'm about to just pop this wig on and just call it a day and stop being lazy. And I'm just gonna straighten it and curl it, because if I do, actually, I don't know, do I want to put a wig? Like, do I really want to glue a wig on my head? Like, do I? My hair grew a lot. I know it doesn't look like it, but it did, especially because I had cut my ends, because my ends needed to be cut really bad. I just don't like the way the lady cut my hair. She cut it like this, so the middle of my head is also longer than the bottom, and I don't like that, because then I'm not able to see the full thickness of my hair. So that's another reason why I didn't. If you guys see, my hair is like straightened right here. I have heat damage in the front of my hair because of all these shoots. I'm kind of annoyed about it, but what can a girl do? Nothing. So just gotta get through it and call it a day. I'm moisturizing my hair right now. But what was I saying? That's part of the reason why I also didn't get a silk press right now, because I don't want to get a silk press until I'm ready to clip my ends again, and I'm not going to be ready to clip my ends again until like about February anyways. So that's when I plan on doing a silk press, because then I'll be able to see the growth from then as well. A lot of times when I go and get a silk press, they believe that I have to get my ends cut, even when I don't. It's just that my hair is uneven, so it looks like my freaking ends are thinner than they are, when in actuality they're not. Like, they're really not. My ends are actually pretty healthy, as you guys can see right now. Like, I can barely even twist the ends all the way through, because they're cut even. Like, they're cut even. It's gonna unravel. They're cut even. There's no dead ends, there's no split ends. The front is probably this space that probably has split ends and stuff, because it has so much heat damage. But I'm not even messing with trying to cut those ends or anything like that. That's why I'm trying to keep my hair braided and put as much, like, the least amount of manipulation to it. If you guys can see, it is definitely heat damage right there. Mind you, I do not put heat to my hair any other time. It's just at the shoots, or other than when I do my silk presses, but my silk presses have never caused me to have heat damage. It's just the heat used to manipulate my hair to match the textures of the wig is just too much for my hair. And it's not like you can reverse heat damage. Like, once it's damaged, it's damaged. So yeah, I wish I had realized how hot the flat iron was prior to her passing it through my hair, because I would have asked her to lower it, because I don't need that much heat to flat iron my hair. My hair seems very dense, but it's actually very thin. Like, I have thin, like, strands of hair. I don't have that much hair on my head. You get what I'm saying? So because I don't have that much hair on my head, I don't have that much strands per part, which means I don't need that much heat to be able to fully go through my hair shaft. So yeah, I wish I knew. If I did, we'll be singing a different tune right now. But this is my hair fully stretched right now. Well, this is the back, let's just say that. So the back is currently about, I just want to stretch it to where it stops. Okay, so I'm gonna say it's like right above this right here, right above this finger, because right now I'm kind of holding on to the ends of it. If I pull it, it'll come out, but it's like right here. Oh, I put that one up, and the front of my hair should be at that length, should it not? But it's not. You know where this ends? Right here. Right here. The middle is even worse. The middle of my head, I don't even know what this is. I mean, it's not straightened. It's not as straight, especially as this one, but it's just the middle of my hair is shorter than the rest of it. I don't know. Maybe it's the same length, but because it's in the middle, I can't see. But look where this ends. This is it fully stretched. It ends right here. This ends here. This is two different lengths, but here it's the same length. You get what I'm saying? They cut my hair here, but you're supposed to straighten it all out and cut it down here. This is why I can't have everybody cut my hair. I'm not. That's why right now I'm just in a space where I'm like, I'm gonna grow my hair to a specific length, and from then I'm just gonna chop it to make it even. Like, I just want all of my hair. Once the top of my hair gets to right here, I'm chopping the rest of it off. And by the time right here gets to right here is gonna be right here. And I'm gonna be tight because I gotta cut it off. But it's just like, I don't want thick hair to right here and then the rest of this is thin, because it's just the base of my hair down here. It's not the whole middle, you know? Or maybe, who knows, as my hair gets longer, it'll probably look like layers or something. So I may not have to cut everything even. I could just cut the bottom a little bit higher or something. I don't know. But all I know is once the middle of my hair gets to this level, I have hair in my mouth. Once the middle of my hair gets to like right here, everything gets to right here, the rest of the hair, wherever it ends at, is just gonna get chopped off, because this is just where I want my hair to be even at. Like, that's just where I'm growing my hair to right now. Yeah, I'm going through it. It is what it is. That's just the process of a hair journey. I don't stress out about stuff like that. I just personally, I don't like to put heat to my hair. My hair does not thrive on heat. You know, some people, they can add heat to their hair and it doesn't affect them at all. My hair breaks off. That's why I can't do perms either. It's not because, oh, I want to be a naturalista. My hair just cannot handle perms. It can't. It makes my hair weak and it just breaks off. Like, my hair would literally break off. My hair has thrived the most while natural. So I'm staying natural because that is what my hair likes. My hair likes to be, 1, left alone, but treated and moisturized. 2, not straightened and manipulated 1,001 times, and 3, not permed. So, and 4, it does not like tension. So I cannot have heavy hair, like heavy hairstyles on my head. Like, I can't do them big old like jumbo box braids where it's like everything is big and it's heavy. Like, I can't do that. If I do jumbo, it has to be me doing it, so I know how much weight is going on and how big I need to part my hair, because not everybody does those things the same. My hair is not evenly parted right now, but whatever. I thought I did. But yeah, I mean, my hair is growing regardless of the fact. So I'm just in a space where I'm like, listen, as long as my hair is healthy, that's like, healthy is my end goal. I want my hair to be healthy. That's the main reason why I went natural, is because I want my hair to be healthy. I thought my hair was thin because of perms, and then I realized that no, I just naturally have thin hair. I don't care about people be like, oh, my hair be down my ass and down my back, and I want it to be at broad stripe level. Baby, that is maintenance. I'm tender-headed. Imagine having 22 inches of hair. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But it's maintenance. I don't got 22 inches of hair maintenance in me. Okay? Okay. And by the time my hair even reaches 22 inches, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to have kids. I'm definitely not going to have 22 inches of hair time. Who? If you don't give me a little 16 inches and call it a day, I don't need nothing else more than that. Like, that's it. Give me a little 16, a little 1-2 right here, and I'm good. I don't need nothing past that. I'm really good. I don't need nothing past that. Right now, that's like my hair goal, like 16, 18 inches. Anything above that, man, we could keep clipping. We could clip. Give me a bob. Whatever. Like, if I get tired, I'm really at a point, like, when I get older, I always say this, when I get older, I want to wear a pixie. Cut my hair short and just wear a pixie. That's just going to be my look. I'm going to be a Nicole Murphy up in this bitch, okay? Because I just like the way pixies look on me. It's not even because of maintenance, because that is also very high maintenance. If you don't know, pixie cuts are not easy unless you have, you know, a certain type of hair texture, like a 2A, 3A hair texture. If you have anywhere between 1 to 3C hair texture, you can do a pixie cut without it being high maintenance. You have 4, any 4 type hair, baby, it's high maintenance. Best believe. Just take out the time to go to a salon every week to get your hair done, and take out the money too. It's expensive, but that's what I plan on doing. I plan on being a fine auntie with a shortcut. Okay, I had posted a reel on my Instagram, but outside of the reel, people always ask me, like, how am I able to braid with nails on? Y'all know these are short, right? Like, these are short. These are short nails. This is like how long my natural, I mean, I had cut my nails short when I did my long nails for my birthday, because I didn't want to break any nails. But my nails are growing back to that length, if you kind of see. But this is the length that my natural nails be on a regular basis out under my nails. And I started doing hair at like 13, and around that time I used to get my nails done, and I always did my hair. Nails don't stop the show. I low-key started doing hair with nails. So it's kind of like easy for me to do that. You know what I mean? All right, y'all. So I finished doing my hair, and I just decided that I'm not going to do the wig. I just decided to take out the blonde pieces out of the wig that I already had done, that I wanted to wear, the 5x5, because I already did a shoot with this person before. I can't say because I signed an NDA, but I did a shoot with them before, and they liked the way that particular hair looked, and that's the hair that they asked me for. So I just had to take the L and just take off the blonde pieces, which is not bad because it doesn't take more than like 30 minutes to add them back in. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I know it didn't like include much. It wasn't much in there. It was a lot of chatting and ranting, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in day 11. Bye.